Wondering how to update your AirPods firmware? Well, AirPods usually update their software automatically. However, you can check if they're up to date and make sure they update properly. This works for all AirPod models. So, in this video, I'll show you how to check your firmware version and how to trigger an update the right way, whether you're using AirPods 1, 2, 3, Pro, or Max. So let's get started. First, go to your iPhone settings. Tap Bluetooth. Now tap the I next to your AirPods. Make sure to remember the model name of your AirPods here. After that, tap Version. See if the firmware version is backdated or not. To check, tap on the support.apple.com link over here. This will show you all the details of the latest AirPods firmware versions. Make sure that your AirPod model and its firmware version matches the one shown here. If it's outdated, here's what you can do to update your firmware. Unfortunately, you can't manually update them with a button, but you can trigger it by doing this. Leave your AirPods in the case. Plug the case into a charger. You can use a cable. MagSafe works too. Keep your iPhone nearby. Connect it to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It should update on its own overnight. And that's it. As long as everything's connected, the update will install in the background. There's no progress bar, so just check the firmware version again later to see if it changed. So folks, I hope this video helped answering your questions. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.